So, hello guys, with the name of God Ram Ram, I'm Kumar K, and today we need to expose the Misho OA scam. A very big scam has happened on 29th June yesterday. I was collecting all the evidence. Many people have cheated in its OA, and now I'm going to report all the evidence, also with the identity of cheaters in this video. So, Misho can catch them and make sure all the cheaters burn in hell and fail. Okay, I'm always very angry about this cheating matter. So first of all, guys, I have recorded many Misho OA video solutions in the past. Like one of them videos is here. Rest you can search on the YouTube channel and on the YouTube search. Okay. If you are someone who's preparing for DSA OACP, you can do our warm up DSA plus OA plus CP course, which is totally free. Okay. Now, guys, first I want to share about the success of the Cisco OA Expose video. Okay. The video which I made few days back about the Cisco OA Expose. Okay. So what happened is that because of you people, that video got lots of likes, comments, and shares and views. Okay. Now, because of that, what happened is that many of my connections and other people who were employees at Cisco and the Cisco authorities came to know about it. Okay. And now they are going to take action about it. All the codes which I mentioned in the Cisco Expose video, whichever codes are matching with those cheating plagiarized codes, all are going to fail Cisco A. So congratulations. Now guys, let's do the same thing with the Misho way. Make sure you like, comment, share, support and subscribe as much as possible so that all the cheaters of Misho way can again burn in hell. Now, let's start the procedure. So what happened in Misho way? CTC 35 lakhs, okay. We can understand why people want to cheat. 21,000 to 28,000 people approximately all over the India were giving the Misho online assessment to grab interviews for Misho SD roles. Okay, this was happening yesterday. 90 to 95% people who gave the on-campus exam were from Tier 1, Tier 2 colleges like IIT, NIT, Triple IT, BITS, VIT, SRM. Some people got the chance to give it off campus via the Misho SD employee referrals from LinkedIn or some other place or contacts. Mass cheating has happened, which needs to be brought to the notice of all the Tier 1/2 colleges plus Misho exam conducting authorities. I want all the Misho employees to please look at this video, understand it, and report it to the Misho exam taking authorities. So the strictest action can be taken against these people. And nice thing is that I have added my email ID at the bottom, guys. Can you see? At this email ID, many people are giving me the cheater identities all the time. Like they know the phone number of the cheaters, the people who leak the codes, their name they know, their college also they know. So let me give a direct warning to a cheater. I will be giving the direct warning to the cheater in few minutes because I now have their identity. I can leak it everywhere. So they never cheat again. Anyways, now guys, by cheater I mean the person in the big groups of 20,000 to 30,000 members leaking codes and selling codes and all that. So guys, if I talk about the exact OA, there were like many MCQs were there, but talking about the coding question, this was the first DSA question, very lovely question on basic mathematics and tree and array concepts. Okay, like first the trick is, like, if you want the video solution for it, let me know. I will make it as the next video for you lovely people. Okay, it's a very nice problem. Like if you have done our 850 hour DSA plus OA plus CP codes, exactly same question is there in it, exactly same. And the nice thing is, on the same concept, JustPay also asked the similar type of question few days back. Like you can go to the website and click on online assessment options and you will get all the recent OA questions. And this was the second question, which was based on LLD plus machine coding. So if you are our student who has done LLD machine coding course nicely, this is piece of cake. Piece of cakes. Just need to take care of solid principle and oops. But what I hate is the cheating which has happened. So in this group, 11,000 plus member group paid help was being given for 1200 to 1500 rupees. Okay. And I now know who is running this group. So he will be, exposed so that he never repeats this behavior ever again in his life. Okay. So if I scroll above, let's see what they were doing. Okay. Tree climber, Misho all passed. Contact here for help. When you contact here, he will ask you for money, and after giving the money, he will just give the same plagiarized code as he's giving to everyone. Okay. Now, if I scroll up, like he's doing it for all the companies. No shame, guys. I request all of you to report this account. Please report this account and please bring it to the authorities' notice. Report it to Telegram that they are doing these illegal activities of cheating in the company tests, which is totally illegal. So many hardworking students are facing the problem again and again because of these shameless cheaters. So paid help was being given there. Now, yeah, another group to the to our set. Oh, Misho, both codes done. Platform query codes also of LLD machine coding, TD climbing also. Just DM this for codes and he's not going to go give it to you for free. He'll ask you for money. See, like this, they are marketing about cheating. No shame, no shame, no shame. Okay. Yeah, they were cheating for Capital One also. No shame. Anyways, now, paid help in 17,000 plus member group. Oh, wow, 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 wow. They even banned me from their Telegram groups when they came to know that Kumar K is exposing them. Do not worry. I have many, many Telegram groups to keep exposing you people. Keep banning. I'll keep coming for you, baby. Anyways, now, guys, these people, they have no shame. I will show you this 17,000 member group one, what they are doing. First of all, they leaked all the MCQ answers, okay, for Cisco A. See, Misho, scripted by her. Help available. No shame these people have, okay. They are telling in advance only that, hey, see, they are selling this fake thing that our codes will be plagiarism free. No, it cannot be. They have to send the same code to 100 to thousands of people. You cannot generate 100 to thousands of different copies in 1 to 2 hours. Don't fool the people, guys. They take the money from you. They give you the plagiarized code, and even after paying the money, you don't pass the exam. What is the use of this? These people need to get caught, and you should never indulge in cheating in the first place. See, here also is writing the shameless person. Some people have slotted 3:30. Then please start your exam at this so we can know the question and send the code and all that. See. He's showing everyone by leaking that, see, we have cheated and we have done. You give us the money, I'll give you the code. No shame they have. Platform queries, tree climbers. They even give the number of the person for the, if you message this person will just like, please report these people, guys. I don't want to even look at this filth. So much problem they are giving to hardworking, honest people. When so many people are cheating, the numbers of the true, honest people is not coming in the rank list. Anyway, such a shame, man. Now let's go to the code which was directly leaked. So this Infosys specialist, they keep on changing their username, guys, but don't like, please report them and go and give as many bad words as possible to this username. Make his life hell. I even know their phone numbers. I'm going to leak them in this video. Don't worry. So, if I scroll above, they only deserve punishment and bad words, nothing else. And guys, who are running this group, these are the college students in final year. शर्म नहीं आती है, ये इनको इनके माँ बाप ने सिखाया है. अभी तो इनका नाम कॉलेज सब एक्सपोज करने वाला हूँ. कॉलेज से जब बाहर निकालेंगे तब इनकी अकल ठिकाने आने वाली है. Anyways, now see here. If I scroll above, can you see? He's showing everything that, see, yeah, the Misho is going on and all that. See, scripted by her, whatever it is. See, full proof they are showing. Last year you help in Misho, today I mean Misho you bhaiya. This is the fake messages they are creating. ये कौन cheater है जो Misho में चला गया? ध्यान से check कर लो. ROSH. Misho company, please check. Any person with the name ROSH in the start, if they recently joined, they are all cheaters. They took help from the groups to pass the Misho way somehow. If this is true, मुझे तो ये भी फेक ही लगता है. ये लोग फेक पिक्स बनवा के भेज देते बस, ताकि बच्चे फूल हो जाए और इनको पैसा दे दे चीटिंग करवाने के लिए. शर्म तो है नहीं बिल्कुल भी. सी कैसे दिखा रहे कि हम तो HR इंटरव्यू राउंड भी पास करवाते हैं. These people need to be caught. Let's go below. सी प्लीज सेंड कोड. ये सेम ही कोड सबको भेज रहा है. अरे तुम फेल होने वाले हो शिवू जी. दे आर सेंडिंग सेम कोड टू एवरीवन. Oof, my goodness. So, see, that's what they are doing, and it is totally shame. Today's like this, they market also. Guys, जितना गाली दो उतना कम है यार. Sorry to say that. Like I'm a very nice guy. I never speak bad words or speak like this, but this really hurts me क्योंकि मैंने खुद बहुत सालों तक पढ़ाई की है तो मुझे पता है दूसरे बच्चे लोग कितना मेहनत करते हैं और ये तीन चार बंदे मिलके 20 से 40 हजार लाखों लोग का वाट लगा रहे हैं. इनकी तो वाट लगानी ही चाहिए. पता नहीं, आई डोंट नो व्हाई नो वन रेजेस वॉइस अबाउट इट ऑन लिंक्डइन ऑन यूट्यूब. सबकी इतनी फटती क्यों है मुझे ये बात नहीं पता. बट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू स्टॉप अंटिल यू किल मी. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू स्टॉप नाउ. एंड गॉड इज विद मी सो यू कैन नेवर किल मी. Please know that in advance. Now, guys, Python code 1 leaked. Even if you don't want to pay money for free also they leak it. Okay. In this group, guys, can you see the tree climber question totally leaked, guys? So what are we going to do? Well, the same thing again. We are going to do the same thing again, guys. What we are going to do? I copy this code. Just a second now. Like, okay, select. I just copy it and I paste it on IDEON. So that when the Meesho authorities look at this, na, they know that everyone having exactly this same code, na, Meesho will ban them in the exam. And the thing is that most of the people copy this plagiarized codes only. So I am not gonna leave these people. You need to burn in hell. So guys, we are now doing our job. Meesho code 1 leaked. Even if they delete these codes to save themselves, well. Here it is. And the second tree climber code they leaked in Java. Don't worry. That also your Kumar K sir is gonna catch you. बच तो पाओगे नहीं. Let's open it up. Yeah. Like select this, copy selected as text. Then I just go and put it here. I just do Control A, Control V. Guys, I need lots of like, comment, share. Please, without your support, if this video does not blow up, no one will know what wrong has happened with you. We want everyone to know what's happening and we will keep on bringing this issue every day. जब तक चीटर्स और कंपनी के माइंड में घुस नहीं जाता कि अब बार बार चीटिंग करके काम नहीं चलने वाला. ओके सो ओके सीम्स लाइक आई गॉट द रॉन्ग कोड क्या. ओके लेट मी कॉपी selected as text. Control A, Control V. Yeah, guys, this is a Java code. And because of my internal connections we know that यही Python और Java के codes maximum जगह leak हुए थे. ठीक है. और इन्होंने किसका कुछ कोड चेंज नहीं किया है. देखो ये लोग what they do, they use either a top coder or an AI model. Okay, they use those things and they leak the codes. तो इनके पास ना एक दो घंटे में इतना टाइम नहीं होता कि हजार लोग को डिफरेंट कोड बांट दे. आप भी तो थोड़ा कॉमन सेंस लॉजिक लगाओ ना. आपको क्या लगता है दो ही लोग को कोड दे रहा है? नहीं, ये हजार लोग को दे रहा है. इसको भी तो अपना बिजनेस चलाना है ना, इलीगल वाला. सो प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग्स. ओके, प्लीज रिपोर्ट ऑल दीज ग्रुप्स टू टेलीग्राम. एंड गाइस, जिन को इन सारे चीटर्स के पर्सनल नंबर, कॉलेज वॉलेज सब पता है, मुझे भेजो मेरे मेल पर. इन एक कॉलेज वालों को हम मेल डालने वाले हैं कि इनके बच्चे यहाँ पर क्या कर रहे हैं. ये सारे टायर 1 टायर 2 कॉलेज के ऊपर से. आई नो दैट. उसके बाद वी आर गोइंग टू फाइल FIR ऑल्सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ द कंपनीज एंड द कम्युनिटी सपोर्ट. ओके, छोड़ेंगे नहीं, इनकी पूरी लगानी है. नाउ guys, please report all these to Telegram. हाँ, ये देखो lead code, like the recent lead code contest where rank 1 was declared. He was of this group only. I know who is the admin of this group, man. I know him. See how he uses AI and gets rank 1 and even wants to sell the rank, weekly contest codes, ruining competitive programming also. कोई शर्म नहीं है, बेशरम. Now, if I scroll below, I request like share subscribe, share it to many people and platforms so it reaches to Meesho authorities. Request for Meesho plus HackerRank authorities to look into the similar type of codes given in these cheating groups and detect the cheaters. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन भी लीक हुआ था ये वाले ग्रुप में. गाइज, आई वर्कड सो हार्ड ताकि आप लोग को दिक्कत ना हो. मुझे क्या करना है, मेरी लाइफ तो चिल चल रही है. मुझे क्या करना चेक करके आपका क्या चीटिंग और आपको जॉब मिल रहा है कि नहीं मिल रहा है. But I'm emotionally connected to only the honest people. So I will do as much hard work as possible. If you can support me, support. या फिर तुमको देखते रहना है रोज गलत चीजें होते हुए तो करो. If you are not supporting me, you are on the opposite side. Always know that. Now, see all the codes of Stack Overflow platform query questions getting leaked here. यहीं से सबने छाप लिया। अरे सब लोग पैसे थोड़ी ना देते, फ्री में भी तो छापना होता है। सबने यहाँ से छाप लिया, ठीक है। 1000+ मेंबर्स, 1000+ व्यूज, लग गए ओए के। ग्रेट जॉब। सो नाउ Misho, what is this, Misho? Please look into it. I have uploaded all the images with proofs. Whichever codes match with this, the hacker rank and Misho authorities, please catch these people red-handed. Fail them in the Misho way. ताकि कभी जिंदगी में मरने दम तक ये लोग चीटिंग ना करें. Very, very angry I am today with these people. Anyways, going below. Now, I know that all these people are going to be get caught. My videos are getting great reach because of you people. तो मैं जिसको भी एक्सपोज करता हूँ उनके लग जाते हैं। गाइस मुझे आपसे बस एक ही सपोर्ट चाहिए। जब भी आपको पता होता है कोई ओए आने वाला है, आप लोग गाइस पूरा स्कैन करके बता दो और मुझे भेज दो मेरे मेल पे, कौन कौन से ग्रुप्स में चीटिंग हो रही है, कहाँ कहाँ कैसे होने वाली है चीटिंग, ग्रुप का एडमिन कौन है, उसका फोन नंबर क्या है, उसका नाम क्या है, उसका कॉलेज क्या है, सब दे दो। सबको डायरेक्ट एक्सपोज। कभी जिंदगी में नहीं करेगा, कॉलेज से निकाल दिया जाएगा, एफआईआर होगा, जॉब भी नहीं लगेगा। ऐसे लोग को ऐसे ही ठीक करना पड़ता है। सॉरी फॉर टेकिंग सच स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शंस ऑन यू पीपल। ओके, now these things are clear. Now guys, how to actually, like, if you are giving it on campus and off campus, so it's very easy because in off campus na every person has OA on different days and different time and questions are different. तो उसमें तो cheating हो ही नहीं पाती है। Mass cheating कब होती है? Like mass cheating happens in third, fourth year students who are giving it either on campus or off campus and all the OAs are happening on the same day with the same question. ऐसा हर बार नहीं होता है। But ये mass that my student has cracked off-campus SD offer from Misho. So now I will explain you the legal way to do it. Okay. So what is the legal way to do it? Let's try to understand that. See, first of all, never think that by copying the codes from the group or buying the codes from the cheater group. If you do this now, there is always less than 1% selection chance. Why? Because these people have generated the codes with AI. Okay, first thing. Second thing, they are giving same codes to everyone. And HackerRank is not full. HackerRank has very strong detector for AI codes and same codes. So all the time you will be getting rejected unless you get very, very lucky. Okay. So the only way to pass it is you need to have the skill to solve hard unseen DSA coding questions. Hard unseen DSA coding questions, which we keep training in our daily life DSA plus OA plus CP training. That's why we have so many daily student selections. Like if I try to show you on my LinkedIn, one more student got selected off campus as SD intern. Let me show you. I am so happy to say that we are having daily selections at top tech product based companies and product based startups. Like just 1 to 2 days back, Khushman Sangha, like SD intern off campus at product based startup of top product based startup of India Delivery. She was a total beginner in coding 8 months ago. If she can work hard and get the things, why can't you? So, skills you need is the skills to solve hard unseen DSA coding questions in the OA, because in OA they will never ask you the question which you have already solved. For this, you need to be staying safe from the DSA influencer sheet scam. Okay, this is going on. What happened is that these influencers are like trying to push it to the all the first year to fourth year people and all the working professionals that you just need to do the standard 100 to 200 easy standard coding questions of lead code, GFG and of their standard DSA sheets, and then you will be able to crack all interview and OA. No, ये सिर्फ 100-200 स्टैंडर्ड क्वेश्चन करके ना ओए का एक क्वेश्चन समझ तक नहीं आएगा आपको. DSA influencer sheet is like 12th board preparation, and OA asks you JEE mains, JEE advanced level type of DSA question. I hope you got the analogy. So you need to daily train and practice OA questions, CP questions of different companies and different platforms on a daily basis. Then only you will develop the skill to solve new question. In interview also they are asking new questions these days. तो भाई 100-200 स्टैंडर्ड क्वेश्चन कर लिए, बहुत अच्छी बात है. अब इसके बाद आपको 1000-800 से 1000 हार्ड अनसीन क्वेश्चंस भी प्रैक्टिस करने हैं. इसलिए कहता हूँ डीएसए ओसीपी ट्रेनिंग कर लो. Apart from that, many more things you need to improve to make sure you keep on getting off campus or on campus interviews depending on your personal case. Okay. Like you can watch my podcast with the student. Here he has explained in detail like how he handled the LLD and machine coding difficult rounds of Misho in the interview and in the online assessment. तो जो लोग लीगली सब अच्छे से करते हैं ना वो कभी फेल नहीं होते. Okay, this thing is clear. Now guys, another thing is that please be in tune with our website codelegal.in. We know that other platforms and like the competitive programming platforms and the OA platforms are not 100% safe. Lots of cheating is happening. I know that. We are working on building this best platform where no matter what you do, you cannot cheat. Okay, the features will be so mind blowing that when you give your contest here and when you give your OA here, you can, in your heart you can have peace. You know that all the people who gave along with you, all was legal, no one cheated. So everyone will get the benefit. Now the selection will be based on pure merit, not based on corruption and cheating. So hopefully you support me in this, guys. Please support me. No one else is fighting for stopping the cheating in the IT field in OAs and interviews. जबकि मैं तो लिंक्डइन पे देखता हूँ लोग चीटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर को प्रमोट कर रहे हैं. गाइस मैं अकेला ही हूँ, याद रखना पूरे लिंक्डइन यूट्यूब पर. मुझे सपोर्ट कीजिए, नहीं तो फिर चीटिंग की दुनिया में रहिए. आपको अच्छा लगता है आपके आजू बाजू में थोड़े सालों बाद सब चीटर ही हो, अच्छा लगेगा? दीज पीपल गेट फायर्ड ऑल्सो फ्रॉम द कंपनी. क्यों इतने मेल्स आजकल आते रहते हैं कि फ्रेशर रोज फायर हो रहा है, चीटिंग करके घुस गए होते हैं, आता कुछ नहीं है. उधर चैट जीपीटी बोलेंगे तो प्रोडक्शन लेवल का कोड में क्या ही कर पाएगा तुम्हारा चैट जीपीटी? एआई क्या ही कर पाएगा? तब क्या जब कंपनी में काम करोगे, लाइक थोड़ा तो दिमाग लगाओ. जब कंपनी में काम करोगे तब क्या टेलीग्राम ग्रुप वाले को मैसेज करोगे कि मेरे कंपनी में काम चल रहा है, मेरे लैपटॉप में कंपनी के कोड का एक्सेस है, ये कोड करके दे दो ना, आप भी मेरे स्टैंड अप में बोल दो ना? करेगा क्या वो टेलीग्राम वाला आपके लिए? It is come in the MIT research also that using ChatGPT is decreasing the cognitive function of the human brain. Like depending on AI again and again for your coding tasks and these tasks. Like when you are in the learning process now, learning process, growth process, you should never be using AI. Okay, you should always be trying to use your own brain. Only when you're executing something important and you think that yes you really need it, that time use AI ना. अपने पढ़ते वक्त ही AI यूज कर लेते. यही बात होगी कि बच्चे ने प्लस माइनस सीखा नहीं, बचपन से कैलकुलेटर पकड़ा दिया, उसको खुद से 5+8 करना ही नहीं आता. अब उसको कभी डीप प्रॉब्लम कोई सॉल्व करनी होगी कैलकुलेशन की, कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगा कोई अलग प्रॉब्लम में, तो उसको सॉल्व ही नहीं कर पाएगा, उसको डीप नॉलेज है ही नहीं. So like these things are guys very important. Like let me show you the link also. Yeah, okay, the link is not here. Okay, so in the previous video it was there, like the MIT research link. I will make sure that I post it here also. So guys, make sure you support and like the video. And yes, coming to the cheater expose, see IIT, NIT, triple IT, VIT, SRM, Manipal, and many are there. Okay, 88% of the cheater groups are under control of one person only. He is in final year of one of these colleges. अब उसकी अकल ठिकाने लगाने के लिए मैं डायरेक्टली बता ही देता हूँ कौन सी कॉलेज है. नॉट IIT, नॉट VIT, नॉट SRM, नॉट दिस. इन दोनों में से वो कोई एक कॉलेज है. मुझे उसका ब्रांच और नाम नंबर सब पता है. मैं चाहूँ तो अभी ये वीडियो में बता दूंगा, उसकी जिंदगी हमेशा के लिए खराब हो जाएगी. You guys can tell me in comment, do you want to know? Then I will think what to do about it. Till then, I am giving that person the time to stop. Please stop. Please stop cheating. अपने लाइफ में कोई दूसरा काम ढूंढ लो, ये चीज मत करो, प्लीज मत करो, बहुत गलत है. ऑलरेडी देश बहुत नीचे लेवल पर आ चुका है और नीचे लेवल पर मत लाओ, प्लीज मत लाओ. जाके भगवान को पूछो क्या तुमको ये रोज करके अच्छा लगता है? नहीं लगता है ना? प्लीज रुक जाओ. बहुत अच्छे से बोल रहा हूँ, रुक गए तो ठीक है, नहीं तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आ जाएगा तुम्हारा, पूरा एक्सपोज कर दूंगा मैं. So, hello guys, with the name of God, Ram Ram. Thank you for all the support. I really love all you people and I will keep fighting for all of you. Ram Ram.